Hello friends and welcome to my latest Sunday vlog. Today I'm sharing with you a delicious low-cost breakfast, brunch or really any time of the day dish that my family will literally change their plans for in order to eat it whenever I make it. My husband and I visit a local farmer's market where I discover a delicious new gin which I can thoroughly recommend, and then we watch the new Barbie movie before returning home to bake a new orange cake recipe and sitting down to a barbecue dinner as a family. Hope you join me and enjoy my latest Sunday vlog.
You know how to come in. Hello, good morning. Good morning. Hi. Good morning, Gucci. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, you're giving me a floppy. Are you giving me a floppy? Are you giving me floppies? Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Hi. Hello, Alaska. Good morning, beautiful.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. My windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sunshine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke. And I will try to fix what has been broken. And take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. I will listen to the ocean, let its unsaid words be spoken, and I'll let my mind be carried by the waves. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sunshine in the day.
Or whatever they do.
No. Yeah, just the summer peach
There's some great little recipe ideas on the website.
Okay.
And the triggers don't overwork it, the flavour's in the bottle.
Awesome.
Spoken, and I'll let my mind be carried by the waves. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sunshine in the day.
making ranch style eggs. This is a family favorite, and it started way back in the day when Kevin and I were newlyweds. He used to work 6 days a week, and so our weekend consisted only of Sunday. And we used to volunteer at the local CFA first thing on a Sunday morning. So we'd get up early, have a quick cup of coffee and something light to eat before training. And by the time that finished at about 10, 11 o'clock, we were really eager for something a little bit more substantial. And back in those days, we were pinching our pennies. So I was always on the lookout for something simple but hearty that wouldn't be too expensive to make. And I stumbled on this recipe. It is a ranch style eggs, and it's become a family favorite ever since then. In fact, my kids absolutely love it. And if I say I'm going to make ranch style eggs this weekend, they will drop what they're doing just so that they can sit down and have a late brunch, early lunch with us. I'll link a similar recipe if I can find it in the description below, or I'll pin it in the comment coming up. It really starts with really simple ingredients: onions, garlic, canned tomatoes, or if you're a little bit time poor, then you can just use passata, and a good crusty loaf. I get this from a local bakery down in Thomastown. I've been going there ever since day dot. My husband's father actually used to go there regularly to stock up on their bread and get it every weekend. And so it's become a tradition. Whenever we have ranch style eggs, we have to go down to that particular bakery and get this bread. So let's get started chopping up onions and garlic. And unsponsored, but these are my favorite canned tomatoes to use. I love it because it's just richly blended tomatoes.
I have found my reasons now.
And because I don't want any of this rich tomato paste or tomato blended tomatoes to go to waste, I add some water to the can, swivel it around so that every little drop is out and used. This will thicken as it cooks. I add some salt, some chili. I have to go light with this chili because my daughter's boyfriend gave me these, and his chilies are really spicy. Delicious, but very spicy. He gave them to me fresh, and I just dried them in the air fryer, and another time I dried them in the oven. And then I just, with a mortar and pestle, just squashed them all up and blended it into these gorgeous flakes. And then mixed Italian herbs. Turn it down to a slow simmer and let the whole thing cook. I add 2 eggs per person.
Leaving for a brighter sky, where my soul is harmonized.
And a spare, because there's always one that goes missing.
See that I'm capable of everything. Capable of everything.
Before the sauce gets too thick, because even after I add the eggs, it does continue to thicken, I add the eggs. This has been bubbling away for about 5 minutes, maybe 6. You see the colours change, this nice rich orangey red, and that's when I know that the sauce is almost ready. I'm on LPG bottle gas. I find that my stove cooks a lot faster than, say, a natural gas stove. You can see that as I scrape it away from the sides, it takes a little while to recover. So that means that it's almost ready and thickened. Okay, now I add the eggs. I try and make a little scoop per egg. Whoops. And one in the middle. Top the eggs with just a little sprinkle of salt. Add the grated cheese on top. And be generous. This is not a light and easy or a low calorie dish. I mean, you could make it low calorie, just half the cheese, but we love it nice and gooey and stretchy. And then put the lid on and let it cook for 3 minutes. Now you could be delicate and just scoop it out individually, but we also like to just dig in and dunk our bread in it. Bon appetit!
Tell me that I'll be walking through walls. Tell me that
I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Life in plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere.
3 eggs,
walking through doors.
3/4 of a cup of sugar,
'Cause when I try to quickly go through withdrawals,
2/3 of a cup of oil,
tell me that
the
when
lime juice,
I
1 orange juice.
be the ghost of you.
A cup and a half of flour and a pinch of salt. Stir.
Heaven should know. No one knows who tried to make time go by slow. Keep you by my side. Just tell me this before I go. Say to me, of course. Tell me that when I go, I'll be the ghost of yours.
Thank you very much for joining me here today. I hope you enjoyed this Sunday vlog. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new, please subscribe. I would really love for you to join my growing community. I hope wherever you are, you're having a fabulous time. Thank you for watching. Until next time, my friends. Bye.